make videos with motivation channels using AI, right? These are some of the videos that I've been seeing on a continuous ongoing basis for the last 3 or 4 months. And now I thought to make a video telling you that these videos are not accurate. And if you use the strategy which is actually taught by so-called gurus, you won't get any results, and your channel won't even get monetized, right? Because I'm telling you from experience, I've been doing motivation channels for a very long time, more than these so-called gurus, and I'm here to tell you that these videos are just fake, right? Just to tell you it's possible. But I'll share with you some of the channels which have recently been demonetized, and pretty much it's not even monetized, right? And they've changed the channel name trying to get monetized, right? So stay till the end, and at the end I'll share with you some of the insights how you can actually start this channel doing it the right way, right? So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sanjeev, and I create videos about how you can actually make money with YouTube automation, and also a bit about in affiliate marketing as well, right? So with that out of the way, let's get in the video, right? So this is one of the video that I actually came across on YouTube, telling you that you can actually make money doing compilation motivation videos on YouTube, right? Which is not correct, because I've had some of my channel also getting hit by reuse content in the past, and I've solved that issue. But the method they're actually teaching you, it doesn't work anymore, right? And I won't play this video, but you can go and watch this video. So pretty much what he's telling you to actually take someone else's audios and actually create a videos with what they're actually speaking in the video, right? So this is used to work in the past, but this actual strategy doesn't work anymore, only because of reused content, right? And there's like a lot of channels actually getting demonetized lately because of the updates. And the way you can actually do it, I'll share with you how you can actually do it the right way, right? So make sure you stay till the end. And pretty much, even though you're gonna see a lot of views, these channels are not even monetized, right? Let me share with you one of the channels that actually got demonetized, and pretty much they actually also changed the channel name. You might have heard of the channel name Law of Attraction Coaching. This is one of the biggest channel which was on YouTube, right? You can see they have changed the channel name, right? Mind Motivation Coaching. And pretty much they have also deleted some of the videos, right? Because they're also trying to get monetized on YouTube again, right? You can see the style of videos they're actually posting in here, right? And this channel is one of the biggest channel on YouTube with doing the motivation content, right? So, and they're trying to get monetized. I don't know if they got monetized yet, but you can see clearly they have just taking someone else's videos and they're compiling that videos, audios, and they're pretty much uploading on YouTube, right? This method used to work 5, 6, 7 years back, but this strategy doesn't work anymore, because YouTube wants you to be original. If you're not putting out original content, if you're just paraphrasing someone else's videos script, and you're also stealing someone else's audios from places like, you know, YouTube itself, right, you won't get monetized. And I know a lot of people who actually got demonetized. Some of my channel has had issues with that, and now I'll share with you what you can actually do to do it the right way, right? So one of the channel is called Inspired Motivation, right? This is one of the biggest channel on YouTube, and they have been doing not Inspired Motivation, sorry, let me share with you. So what YouTube actually wants is pretty much original stuff, right? So they are just doing original content, and they're not stealing someone else's videos, and they're doing it the right way. Let me share with you the channel which is actually doing it the right way. I just forgot the name of Video Advice. Okay, Video Advice is the channel name, sorry about that. And you can see with their content how they're actually doing it the right way, right? So this is how you actually do the motivation niche, doing it the right way, and they have their own voiceover, right? And pretty much you can see even though it's Elon Musk here, Andrew Tate, this is all original content, right? And pretty much this is the right way to actually do the motivation niche, right? So if you're thinking about just stealing someone else's audience from places like YouTube and just creating a video and you're gonna get tons of views and you're gonna be making a lot of money, that is not correct, because you're gonna be discouraged, right? It might take you a long time to even get monetized, or YouTube won't even YouTube will put you in the partner program, but sooner or later your channel will get demonetized if you're just doing compilation on motivation channels, right? So don't believe anything that come across your YouTube feeds promising you that you're gonna make a ton of money doing compilation video, because it doesn't work anymore. This is some of the channel that you need to be modeling after if you want to get huge amount of results. Be inspired, right? This channel has been doing on YouTube for a very long time, and you can see this channel is just doing original content, right? And they're not stealing anyone else's videos. And you can see another channel is called Daily, I believe they have like a lot of channel, Daily Motivation. You can see this channel is also doing like all original content, right? So this is some of the ways you can actually do the motivation channels the right way, right? And pretty much this is what I actually share with my one-on-one students, how you can actually start a channel for very little cost and to be able to create videos like this yourself, right? If you don't have a lot of money to invest in a team, you can actually create channels like this, but doing it the right way so you don't get any issues getting your channels demonetized, right? And also I wanted to let you know that working with a one-on-one mentoring coach is like the best way to go. Because the reason I'm saying that is because I've invested in a lot of programs, and pretty much it's like a group setting. But when I work with a one-on-one client, pretty much I do a Zoom call with them, so that way the call is recorded and I share with them the strategy, right? And if you're doing it like a group session, it gets like really hard. You cannot focus on one student at a time, right? So that's why I do a one-on-one coaching with the students. Group setting is good, but imagine if a group has like probably 1,000 people. Not everyone's question will be answered, right? And they have like a certain amount of hours. They have like 1 or 2 hours, and it's just gonna get really difficult for each and every single student's questions to get answered, right? So if you want to learn the YouTube algorithm and do it the right way, I leave a link in the description section. Come and join with me on Facebook, and then we can talk about it, where you actually are and where you're trying to get to with your YouTube automation business and your channels. But I'll tell you also one thing, this is not a get rich quick scheme, right? YouTube channels takes time. Some channels blow up in a month, some channels take about 3 or 4, even 5 months, right? But you have to be continuously investing in your knowledge, so that way you never get stuck, right? And working with a one-on-one coach is like really important. That way your questions get answered straight away, right? Rather than you investing in some big gurus program where they don't even reply to your message, right? And the team actually deals with everything, right? So if you want to do it YouTube the right way, get in touch with me, and I'm here to help, guide you, support you every single step of the way. Until next time, my name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all. Bye for now.